Hey guys, it's Kristina.
And I'm Josh.
And this is our very first episode of
Bad Bread.
We are so excited to create this content for you. And we're gonna be cooking, we're gonna be eating, we're gonna be doing all those fun foodie things. And we're so excited that you are here to be along this journey with us. And you're gonna see a lot of weird stuff. So, what are we making today?
Today we're going to be making vegan, Korean, fried chicken sandwiches.
Chicken. Okay, so what do we need to do to get started?
So today, like kind of the main thing that we're going to be using is one of my favorite vegan brands, Gardein brand, vegan, lightly seasoned chicken scallopini by Gardein. Wow. They are not sponsoring us, but if they want to, they sure can. So we're gonna start with the breading. So I've got all-purpose flour. This is about a cup, I think. Just dump that in there, and then smell that. That's black pepper. It's a very exotic spice. No one's ever heard of it. So we're gonna put black pepper in there. We got onion powder. Look at these cute like blue bowls I got.
Look at you all.
I know. I was trying to like be like. And then do you want to put the garlic powder in? We got garlic powder. Smells so good.
That looks good.
Potent. All right, and then my favorite seasoning of recently is poultry seasoning.
It smells like poultry.
We're not sponsored by poultry seasoning, but if you want to sponsor us, you may. And then we've got toasted sesame seeds for a little pizzazz. And then we got...
Sure, I'll do the honors.
Okay.
The Korean red pepper flake.
Oh, are those from Korea, Kristina?
Yes.
Let's add a little kick.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take this and we are gonna whisk it all together. Oh, Kristina, you wanna hold the bowl?
Yeah.
Kristina and I use a thing called teamwork. So part of teamwork is working together to accomplish one goal. If you do things together, everything is accomplished.
Wow.
Double time.
I think these are my friends.
Okay, so once you get all of your breading kind of like on a plate, we're gonna take almond milk in here. And of course, I'm gonna put some tabasco, which is like my favorite. I'm gonna put it in there. Oh. Whisk it. Make sure you get a good whisking so you can have that Tabasco sauce mixture good with the almond milk mixture. And then you put it all together and you're gonna have a really great time.
I think we're done.
Okay, so we're gonna take the chicken and we're gonna actually fold it in half like this. And then like that. And then squishy it.
Squishy.
Make it a squish. And just mold it. So it's gonna be more in the shape of like a chicken thigh.
God.
Like that, a little cute little patty. Kristina, would you like to try?
I do.
So we're gonna go like this.
Just in half.
And of course, like, so these come frozen, but just let them kind of thaw out a little bit.
Oh yeah, it's like more maneuvery.
Yeah.
They're gonna let me
Total
in.
squish town.
Okay, for the chicken skin part of this, we're gonna be using the spring roll skin. It's just rice paper. And the best way to get these softened is to get a plate of water. We have here, and we're just gonna set it in there until it softens. Make sure it's fully submerged. You can just kind of touch it, and once it gets kind of slimy, that's when it's ready. So you can see kind of how it looks. It's like very squishy.
Like a jellyfish. So we're gonna set it down, and then we're gonna take our little squishy chickens that we did, like this, and then we're gonna wrap it almost like a burrito. So it goes like that one, and then you put it
Let's meet in
like
the middle.
this. Oh, look how cute. And then you go like that, and voila.
And there's your chicken skin.
There's your chicken skin. It looks weird right now, and it will. But
I'm just kind of blown. I'm excited.
so we're gonna do that with all of these. Okay, so once these are wrapped in the spring roll wrapper, we're gonna put it in the flour like this. We're just gonna dredge it. And then we're gonna put it in the almond milk Tabasco mixture.
I want some of that chicken, but not chicken.
And then it goes back into the flour.
Oh yeah.
Make sure you just use one hand. Dunkity dunk back in here. And then guess what we're gonna do again? Triple
again.
time! Look at that.
Look at that. Oh, cool.
That's what we got. So, look at all this hard work and effort. Well, you could eat it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because it's not real chicken.
Do it.
No,
Just try it.
I won't. Mmm.
Okay, I'll try.
Tastes like a Korean funnel cake that hasn't been Whoa!
Okay.
Like super flavorful, weird.
Okay, hold on.
I'm gonna deep fry my hand. Don't do it. But wait. Okay, once we have these wrapped and breaded, we're gonna deep fry them. We have our deep fryer set at 350. And you're gonna fry them for 5 minutes or until golden brown. Fry the chicken till it's golden brown. Insert dubstep. Insert dubstep now. Don't do drugs.
Okay, so while the chicken's frying, we're gonna get the slaw prepared that's gonna go on top of the sandwich.
So we're gonna take the vegan mayo. We're gonna do the kimchi aioli. Do that. Let's say about half a cup, actually a fourth a cup of vegan mayo. And then we're gonna take the kimchi juice, pour that in here. You were like, kimchi juice, that's weird. But it's not weird, it's good.
It's perfect.
So, then we're gonna take the rice vinegar, put that in there. We're gonna take, this is about a clove of garlic. You can put a little bit more. I love garlic, so.
Same.
And then we're gonna take some kimchi, like that. I kind of just did a coarse dice on it. Putting that in there.
What you got
And
there?
then the amazing onions that Kristina sliced. Put those in here.
Oh
Bam.
my god. Looks
Look
so
at that, it's
beautiful.
so pretty. Look how colorful that is. Check that out.
I love
That's
it.
good. So we're gonna take a whisk and whisk it together
Gotta pull
as the
this-
chicken's frying.
Yep.
And it's
they're
gonna
ready.
be, basically it's gonna be like kind of a thicker sauce. So this coleslaw is basically gonna go on top of the sandwich. So I'm only using about 8 ounces of the coleslaw mix. And we're gonna just put that in the bowl like this. It can be like really dramatic. Oh,
Yeah.
maybe not that dramatic.
No.
The best way to really do it for me is I like to use my hands.
Yes.
Hands are the best tools God gave you. You're just gonna kind of like massage it together like that. I don't wanna like over massage it because if you over massage it, it just gets too like clunky. That's about the consistency that you want. Make sure when you serve your guests, you serve it by hand. So we made Sriracha Mayo, which is vegan mayo, your choice. I prefer just mayo. You want to do shots of this? I love mayonnaise. I would like drink mayonnaise, seriously. So I like to put the Sriracha Mayo on the bottom of it. And I like to have like a pretty good amount of it. Like I like it just like bam.
Condiment man.
Yeah, it's like so good. And then we are going to take the fried chicken.
The chicken.
Look at that shizzle. Do you hear that crispiness? Can you hear that? That's
Hello?
crispy. And then we're gonna top it with the coleslaw, the kimchi coleslaw that we made.
Yum.
You're gonna be a taste tester.
Yeah.
Look at that. And I like to have a pretty good portion of it
Oh yeah.
on top. Try and make it all pretty for y'all. Like that. Does that look pretty?
It looks so good.
And there you have it. We've got our vegan Korean fried chicken sandwich.
That looks so good. And so that's it for our Korean-inspired fried chicken sandwich. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our video. The recipe for this is going to be down in the description box, so please go take a look at that. Thanks for joining us on our first ever episode of Bad Breath.
I'm eating one.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
1, 2, 3.
Make sure that you get all that batter in your chicken.
Best friends.
Make sure. That felt wrong.